I want to see price bounce off of this general area at this 43.50. I'm looking for some $45 calls. So I'm gonna get those contracts ready before the market open. Come over here to 45. Nice cheap contracts too. The uh yeah, so we're gonna see what we do off open. I'm not really looking to trade that first 5 minute candle unless I see something I really, really love. Unless I see something I really, really love. So this is my main watch. You're watching Robinhood for a nice little pullback. And hopefully we get a bounce off of this zone. If we break aggressively underneath the zone on a 5 minute chart, then I will not be looking to trade it anymore. You could possibly flip short, right? If we get a nice break underneath this zone, this previous resistance, and we break under it and we hold under it, you could look for a rejection off of this area of resistance and then look for a more aggressive move to the downside. But because price is over it, I'm looking for price to go higher today. So that's my game plan. That's how I want to see price move. I don't like the fact that we're getting this pullback pre-market, but yeah, I got some $45 calls ready, and this is my only thing that I'm looking to trade today. I also got alert set on snow at that 170 level as well. But honestly, I like this setup more. So let's see if we can get a bounce off this. I might enter like a little starter position down here if we can hold this zone. Enter a little baby position. I'll let y'all know when I get enough. Just watching it right now. The first 5 minute candle setup. I am watching how we react to the zone because this is a previous area of resistance. So ideally, you would like to see buyers push us up out of this. If we can get a nice push up out of it, I'll enter a starter. And have my stop loss underneath that zone. We got a nice wick that formed down there at the area of demand. That's cool. Um, this isn't something I trade often, so I'm definitely trading it later. Spread doesn't look that bad on these contracts either. Staying patient though, you letting this first 5 minute candle set up. And this first 5 minute candle set up. Look like buyers are trying to hold that level, which is cool. I like that hold. I entered a light position. This is my starter position. My stop loss is underneath this candle though. I entered the $45 calls. Again, I'm in very, very light. I will add to this if we start getting a little bit better price action. I want to see a little bit more aggressive push off of this zone. Calling me while I'm in trades, man. Can't do that. Can't do that. If we break these pre-market highs, it might fly, but right now we staying patient. We got a nice hold of this demand, so that's why I did enter that starter position. This 5 minute candle hasn't closed yet, so anything could happen within this first 5 minute candle. That's why I'm in light. Contracts up pretty good right now. Um, Contracts up 20%. We pushing the pre-market highs. Y'all can make y'all trams here if y'all want. If y'all are in the trade with me, I don't know if y'all in the trade, but we up 25% right now. I'm probably gonna add into this if we can get a nice break over these pre-market highs. I like this a lot today, so this is an area of resistance on the chart, so price will struggle up here. Y'all can definitely make y'all trends while y'all are up. You know what I'm saying? I'm holding because I am in a starter position, so I'm okay with price possibly stopping me out if we pull back on it. But I will add to this if we do break over these pre-market highs. Did you close it? No, I did not. Y'all can't know if y'all up. You know what I'm saying? I just, it's a good chart, so I want to see it play out like I'm expecting it to. If it don't, then I'll take a small loss. I'm in a very small position size right now, so anything is possible. My stop loss is underneath this zone. I will add to this if we break over pre-market highs. Been there to it yet. Struggling to pair these pre-market highs. I don't like that. I want us to take that out pretty aggressive, but we're gonna see how it's set up. Stop is under here. If we get stopped out, then this is GG. This is the only thing I like today. So if it don't do what I need it to do, then I'm just this gonna be my only trade. I ain't gonna cap. I like the higher time frames. We need ideally price to break over those pre-market highs. That would be ideal. But look like SPY and QQQ pulling back right now, so it's kind of struggling up here. This is the best setup in the day, in my opinion. So SPY pulling back pretty aggressive. We're pulling back into VWAP. Might mess with a SPY bounce, but we're gonna play this out. We're gonna see how this goes. Contracts back at 20 some percent. We struggling a lot at this pre-market high. I want us to just take this out, rip through it. Add to this. I guess to get a nice aggressive close over this pre-market high though. Contracts up 43%. I'm about to close. If I'll close this trade if we flip back underneath these pre-market highs. I'll close out a large majority of my contracts. But if we hold over this, I'm looking to add into it. Yeah, I'll take some sales here. Maybe. I'm staying patient. We're watching these pre-market highs right now. We need price to hold over these pre-market highs. And we struggling a lot up here. I don't like that. I want to, it's, you would expect us to break over these pre-market highs, a pretty aggressive breakout. And we're at all-time highs on this. This should really run. Contracts up 50%. Um, we got 3 minutes to this candle close. 53% on the contracts. I am going to I'm going to hold. I'm trying to get better at holding this year. So we're gonna see. Is anybody in this trade with me right now? Or no? Okay, bet. My contract's up 60%. Nice aggressive push. I'm going to sell a little bit up here. Contract's up 66%. I'm gonna sell a little bit. So like half of my position. I want to try to stay in this a little bit longer though. Selling a few more contracts up here. I might hold these all day. I'm not gonna lie. But ideally, if you're looking at structure, I'll sell one more just so I'm in a runner, just to protect myself. You want us to hold. You want price to close over this pre-market high. If price remains over this pre-market high, you could really just hold this all day. If we flip back underneath this pre-market high, I no longer like it. And depending on how this candle close will determine if I stay in this last little contract or we close over that pre-market high. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to Thinkorswim over here on my right hand side, and I'm going to trail this. I don't like the fact that we get these wicks stepping in up here. So I'm gonna trail. I'm gonna trail this contract. Trail it in profit, I guess. And if price come down and flip back underneath these pre-market highs and come down to this red line, it's gonna stop me out of my trade. But it will stop me out in profit because I did get in my trade down here. So um it was a good day. We had a really good sell on this. Very good sell, might I add. And I am out of that last contract. Good work today, y'all. And the thing about trading, a lot of people would this is how you stay consistent, right? You find the best trade opportunity for the day, you trade that one specific stock, and then you walk away. A lot of times we make money in the market and we think, oh, the market's still pushing up, or you know what I'm saying, or this stock is pushing up, and we just try to get in trades, right? But a lot of times those best opportunities present themselves off market open. So if you aren't executing your trade at market open and getting in the highest quality trade possible, you put yourself in position to when you're later in the day, like 15 minutes after, not even 15, like 30 minutes after the market open, an hour after the market open, you still haven't taken a trade, but you see other people made money today, right? If there isn't a good opportunity, the best thing to do is to sit on your hands. The best thing to do is to sit on your hands.